In this video, I'll show you how you can see all the games that you've played on Roblox. Now, there's two different methods that we can use, and I'm just gonna show you the first one for now. First, go to inventory on roblox.com, log into your account, and you will come to private servers. Now, if you select any of these and you have an item from there, you will be able to see the server and what kind of map it was. Now the other one, which is also super simple, is you're gonna head over to the home button, scroll down a little bit, find continue and press see all. And from in here, you'll be able to see all the games that you have ever played on your Roblox. So as you can see on this account, I've only played these 3, and this is because this is a new account. So I've only played these 3 games. But if I had played 100, they would all be listed in here. So those are the 2 ways that you can see the games that you have played, and I really hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.